Okay, so for today, what we're going to be doing is going over, once again, this 1911 Springfield A1. This was just previously on the channel where we did a quick breakdown and cleaning of it, but while looking at it, it made me decide, why don't we get some new grips for this thing? These are like rubber grips. These are actually pretty nice grips, but we decided to do something different, and we're going to be switching them out for some Hogue grips. These, I believe, were the rosewood grips that I got. Pop these things out of here. Like I said, the shipping on these grips are just extremely fast, so it's like I ordered them literally, I think the same day that I uploaded that video, and then they were here just a couple days after. So these things are pretty nice. So like I said, we're going to be switching these grips out. Yeah, giving the gun a little different look, different feel. And just going from there. We also got their grip screw hardware pack as well. This sides of the screws weren't as bad as the other side. Like I said, I've had this gun for a really long time, and just starting to get worn out, especially like on the grip right here. It's a little faded, but you know, the new hardwood's gonna spruce it up a little bit. See how hard these things are to get off. Pushing out through the bottom. Yeah. Look at that. These are pierce grips. Huh. Alright, well, let's get that out. I should have got something to kind of clean out some of this stuff off. It would have been smooth, but yeah, see this side, these screws are a little bit more worn for whatever reason. These screws are just a little more busted. If that's even gonna fit in there. Oh yeah. Go. I'll just clean that stuff up later, I'm guessing. Oh, is this when it was made? 2010? That might be when it was made right there, 2010. So, alrighty. Get our new screws out. Set those there. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, I've stated in other videos, I have plenty of Hogue grips products. They just seem to make quality wood. I mean, you know, they used to make a lot of the older Smith & Wesson rubber grips until Smith & Wesson started doing them themselves. But I'm just a pretty big fanboy of them, I guess you'd say. Nut rider for the Hogue grips. I was seeing they have a whole bunch of different type of woods too you can get. Thinking about getting some of the other stuff, but that rosewood, yeah, look at that. Maybe should have went with the black wood. Just so it would have kind of matched a little bit, but the wood, that looks good. Am I having a little buyer's remorse? Maybe not. Maybe. Feels nice. They definitely feel nice. These, like I said, these were like a rubber texture. And they also felt pretty good. But change isn't bad. Well, there you go. Got your 1911 screws. Got your 1911 grips. And yeah, there's really nothing else to it other than that. You guys get to kind of see what they look like. It's more darker wood. There was different other colors. I figured the darker wood would match a little bit better. These screws definitely look a lot better than some of those older busted ones that I had. But there you go. That's it. Yeah, there it is. 1911 Springfield A1 with the new Hogue grips. Well, hope you guys have a great rest of your day.